this morning we're at Luken's Poultry, Fish, and Seafood, and we're going to be talking to Ted. Ted, tell us about Luken's, and how long have you been here?
I've worked here for about 15 years, and the business has been here for about 40 years. It started by Mike Luken. He real knowledgeable about seafood. We get fresh fish delivered direct from Boston, 2 or sometimes 3 times a week. And we also get fish shipped up from Florida, and some flown in from out west, just some fresh trout and things like that. So we have a really nice selection, and a really decent selection of some frozen things too. But I'd say about 70 to 80% of what we have in our case at any given time has come in fresh.
Yeah, that's really, I didn't realize that, Ted, and there's not too many places in Cincinnati that you can get fresh seafood that's flown in so often. So
right. Well, it's trucked in, but yeah, we do get it delivered on a real regular basis.
Yeah. So, and then I saw along the other side you have a lot of poultry and turkey items, and
we do. We specialize in Cobb's turkey from Harrison, Ohio. They source most of their whatever they don't raise themselves. They source directly from Amish farms in southeast Indiana and central Ohio. Real high quality. We are actually their only vendor for a heritage turkeys, which they raise a batch or 2 a year. And Mike's been dealing with them for so long they get first crack at them. So heritage turkeys are kind of like analogous to heirloom tomatoes. They've got older genetics, a little smaller breasted, but real good fat content, really good flavor. People try them out, and they absolutely love them.
Yeah, that's interesting. I'm from Harrison, Ohio, so
yeah.
I know all about cups. I've also had your crab cakes.
Oh,
and your crab cakes are wonderful.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah. Our crab cake queen isn't here right now. Yeah, we make those every week. We're usually sold out by the end of Saturday. Have a couple different sizes, a 4 ounce and a 7 ounce. But yeah, they're very popular, tasty with remoulade sauce. And we offer some salads and things, although like I say, the cook's off right now, so we don't have any of those available for the moment.
Well, thank you, Ted. It was wonderful talking to you, and I'm sure our viewers are going to find this very interesting. I'm just going to span the case so they can see some of the items you have.
Yeah, thanks for stopping. Appreciate talking to you, and look forward to seeing your customers coming down and visiting us.
Sure, thank you.
You're welcome.
So here we are. So wow, look at this. Look at these crab legs and fresh fish. All the way down, there's salmon, raw shrimp. I will turn the corner. Oh, there's even a little lobster guy. And look at the poultry. Whoa, lots of poultry. So next time you're in Findlay Market, stop at Luken's.